today we have got a very special Toyota Harrier premium grade Modelista kitted for you. Modelista kit is very rare as well in Japan as well as in Kenya. The most demanding car of Kenyan market, Toyota Harrier premium grade 2019. This car is the one of most demanding cars of Kenyan market, not only because this is a Toyota. It's reliable at the same time, powerful at the same time, and also this car is having a very aggressive look from front and a very elegant interior from inside. But this car specific is premium grade, coming with the Modelista kits, which looks very nice, very bulky and very aggressive. This car is reliable, beautiful, elegant, aggressive at the same time. As it is a Toyota, so it's extremely reliable, coming with a 2000cc naturally aspirated petrol engine paired with the automatic gearbox, which gives you around 163 horsepower and 179 Newton meters of torque. Talking about the front side of this car, it comes with tri-xenon headlamps, DRLs, indicators over here, DRLs over here, LED fog lamps, parking sensors at the front, this Harrier logo at the front. Talking about the side profile of this car comes with very nice 18-inch alloy wheels with a Bridgestone tire specifically on this car, which is very efficient in the on-road and off-road as well. Talking about the side profile of this car, the most prominent thing is this Modelista body kit with piano black and chrome finish all over the car. You can see the chrome finish over the door handles. You can see chrome and piano black on the side mirrors. Side mirrors are also having indicators in them. Smart entry is available in the car. Talking about the interior of this car, justifying its premium grade name by this door, you can see burgundy finish with leather stitch over here, piano black and chrome, as well as inside premium speakers, 6-way powered electric seats with thigh support and lumbar support over here. Talking about this cluster, you can see you have auto high beam, traction control, auto on off, auto brake hold, electronic parking handbrake, push start, and this specific car is a premium grade, so it comes with a auto boot. Talking about the steering wheel of this car, it comes with a leather stitched steering wheel having multiple controls over here, screen controls, your parking sensor controls, your lane assist control, your radar control, cruise control over here, multimedia controls, voice command. This car specific comes with a phone holder over here that's aftermarket. Obviously it's not the original one. Talking about the center console of this car, you can see piano black finish over here. Also it is having 9.6-inch digital screen with Bluetooth connectivity inside. This car is having dual zone climate control over here, eco mode button over here, and a power mode button over here, and a 9.6-inch information cluster over here that's also having Bluetooth connectivity as well. Also this car automatic gearbox, you can also drive it manually as this is a Triptonic gearbox. Is having a perfect space for your essentials here and here as well. About this mirror, this is auto dimming, LED lights inside, a black roof matching with this burgundy interior, which looks very premium, very elegant and very nice. Talking about the back side of this car, like the front, back is also very premium. Privacy glasses over here, leather stitched doors, piano black finish, chrome door handles, premium speakers, seats come with adjustable hinge over here, like perfect legroom, perfect headroom. You can have a center console over here, also having cup holders in it, which could pop up like this. Rear AC vents for perfect AC air at the back as well, like the front. Talking about this elegant back of this car, these lights are normal, they are not lava LED like the GR Sport that you have seen already on our YouTube channel. About the back side of this car, you can see our Toyota logo over here, all the way, the red line, the reflectors which look very nice. Also you can see reflectors over here, piano black, finish and chrome mix like interior, likewise exterior. It comes with parking sensors, rear view camera and auto boot for your convenience. This car is having very perfect space at the back. You can carry up to 4 people luggage for a long journey very easily. Here you can control your auto boot with this button from the driver side as well as your key. So if you like this car, you want to buy this car, you want to check this car, you know where to come. CYD Cars Mombasa. Also you can visit our website www.cydcars.com.